Hello, good morning. My name is Hetvi Parik and you're watching Titanium News Channel. I'm standing at Juhu Beach, Mumbai. Mumbai is a very beautiful place and it has many tourist places and there are so many beaches. It is the sixth metropolitan city and it has many beautiful places. So we have a beautiful guest who has came from Delhi.
Hey girl, introduce me fully. I'm from South Delhi because North and West are just AU.
Yes, we have a guest from our South Delhi. So, let me introduce yourself. What's your name?
My name is Pooja Ajmera. You can just call me Poo.
Okay. So how's your experience? How are you feeling in Mumbai?
So we can see here it is a very beautiful place. Look at the beach, the sea. It is very nice. I can get very good vibes. But this place is get ruined by some of the TikTokers and readers. We can see here many songs like My Patience is Waning and this is ruining a lot.
Okay, thank you, Pooh. So we have a local people here also. So, where are you from?
I'm Mumbai.
So, what's your name?
My name is MB Chaiwali.
So, let me know about your business also.
I am Chaiwali.
Okay, thank you, MB Chaiwali. So, as a conclusion, we can see that there are many peoples and many tourists coming in Mumbai. So, that's all for today. And for more updates, subscribe our YouTube channel. Have a great day.